Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Welcome back to the channel. I know I've been away for quite a while, over 2 years in fact. Wasn't intentional, but I'm hoping to get more videos out in the coming months or so. There's a few things that I've been working on behind the scenes, and hopefully that will be done shortly. But in the meantime, there's something that I've been seeing a lot of in the field, which is basically with a few appliances that have this particular dispenser system for dishwashers. Usually Kenwood, Curry's, Vestel, other models, maybe even I've seen a few Bekos. But what happens is, obviously, this doesn't work. So there is an easy way to repair this without getting an engineer waiting in all day, waiting for parts, blah blah blah. Because I've been seeing a lot of them recently. I found out basically the internal component fails in this thing here. So when you close it, when the dishwasher has to open the tablet, it will close, it doesn't pop open again. So I don't know if you can see, there's these little divots here. So what you want to do is line them up here. You can use a screwdriver, I usually do it by hand. So what you do is you just pop one side open, like that. And usually you do the other side, but this one's come out all together. And then there's another one here. So you line it up and pop it open. So that's basically what's inside this tablet dispenser. So it's this spring here. So what happens, it comes out of position and it's basically useless. So what you want to do is this part here goes into that pin there, not this one, because otherwise it's got too much resistance. So what I usually recommend is, obviously you can take this out, dab a little bit of glue or some sort of water resistant glue, pop that back in there. And this is the tricky part. So what you need to do is make sure you line it in there, turn it around. I did it off camera and it worked absolutely fine, but turn it around like that. And you want to line those things up and then push it in. And now that's working. I've had problems with these catches as well. So tell you what, that was working before I pressed the record button, but that's another problem that can happen on these. If we just pop this open again, sometimes it can be this unit here, it's not catching on this, so obviously that's in line with the valve here, so that will open and unlock it. So we try that again. Hopefully this time it'll work. I think it's because I caught the catch. That side in, push push. Well, let's try it one more time. Make sure it's all the way. Also, when you look at these, just make sure they're not damaged, because that can also cause issues, especially if it's not going to open properly. So let's get that in there. Line it round, down, push, push. There you go. All back up running. So hopefully this will help you out. Like I said, I have a lot of calls regarding this issue. Most of the time I can repair it like this. Hopefully you can too, but if you want to get this repaired, then by all means, if it's under warranty, it's free of charge. I think if it's out of warranty, you're looking around £40–50 for this particular tablet dispenser. Obviously you can get it cheaper on eBay if you can. Obviously this is a used one, so I just use this for demonstration purposes. There's only really 2 connections onto this, so you've got one in here, one onto that solenoid there, so obviously that will open. I wonder if I can try and do it from here. So that board will tell it to open, and then it just releases it, tablet goes in and should do its job. Anyway, I'm looking at doing a video soon regarding where I've been. I know it's been about 2 years since I uploaded a video, but once I've got everything in place, I'll be able to get that done and explain where I've been. But Thank you very much for 1.6k subscribers, and recently we've gone over 1 million views on all the overall on this channel, which is a real milestone for me. I really appreciate it. It just means that people are looking to repair their machines rather than replace them, or in this current climate with all the bills going up, sometimes you just need someone that's there to give you a helping hand, because most of these things are pretty easy to fix with just a little help. But hopefully I'll be able to bring out a few more videos soon. But have a good day, guys, and take care.